Today's video is about 4 common mistakes that makeup artists make. Okay, and it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh, I'm a year older. I'm so happy. Grace found me, mercy found me. God has been faithful. I may not have everything I want, but I am grateful for what I already have. Okay, so guys, let's get right into the business of the day. This video is not my regular video. Today's video, I just want to tell you some of the mistakes I made in my past. Okay, I actually struggled with it and I grew from it and I got better. And probably if you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment section. The first common mistake makeup artists usually make is trying to compare themselves with big top makeup artists out there. Okay, if you are an upcoming makeup artist or you are still a small makeup artist, learn to just appreciate every step that you make. Don't compare yourself with anyone, and if you must compare yourself with anyone, compare yourself positively with somebody. Okay, if you see a top makeup artist that you admire, or you love the person's skin work, or you love the person's brow or lipstick, instead of dwelling in jealousy, why not just pay money for upgrade, seek more knowledge, and go and learn how the person is able to achieve that particular look? Because trust me, every makeup artist have their unique signature. Some makeup artists, their skin work is lit. Some makeup artists, their brows is top notch. Some makeup artists, their eyeshadow and their lip game is top notch. So if you have any makeup artist that you admire in a certain type of way, instead of envying them, why not just pay for an upgrade class and get to know how they do what they do? Okay, the second mistake I made was the spirit of bye bye. See, might just tell you now, I no be your pastor, but if you know say you get the spirit of bye bye, right now jump away from me. Jump, come out, jump away from it. Jump out. I say out. Okay, because trust me, you see that bye bye spirit, it go make you dey stagnant unknown to you. Yes, e go make you dey stagnant, and for you, you go dey count your portfolio say, oh, I get this product, I get this product, I get this product. But when it comes to savings on your bank account, you are still broke. See, that spirit of bye bye, avoid am. Some of una get like 50 lipstick inside una bag. Wetin happen? Wetin you dey take am dey do? Na breakfast or na for lunch? Some of you have more than 20 red lips. Say I love red, my client love red. No na, e too much na. Share am. And den you get plenty lipstick like dat, you still dey go buy blush palette. Why? You no fit use your eyeshadow take do blush? Abi you no fit take from your lipstick take do blush? All dis spirit of bye bye e no good oo, e dey draw makeup artist dey go back. E dey draw makeup artist. Sometimes when you see trending things learn to walk away, because you see dis makeup business na sense oo. Today one thing go trend come kpam, everybody go dey buy. And the funny thing na say if you never buy, e go be like say oh na you dey slack, you no dey invest for your business. At the end of the day, when you don buy the thing sometimes the thing is even useless. Some other time, funny how that is even the thing that will now make people to be seeing your work. So it's okay oh, please do not misunderstand me. Just know that sometimes don't buy some things. Don't buy what you want, buy what you need, because you might want something and for your job you don't even need that thing at that particular time. If you know, you know. If you know what I mean, I believe you know. I've talked about two things now. Abi, investing in your knowledge and the spirit of bye bye. Number three thing, no allow the pressure of this world to disturb your mental health. No. And normally you know say if you no dey happy for people progress e go be like say you get winch, and at times you no get winch oo. It's just that you no know say you suppose to stay away from that thing at that particular time. I don't know if you understand wetin I dey talk. Make I speak English. What I mean is sometimes social media makes makeup artists to fall into mental breakdown or depression. Learn to program your page, like your social handles in a way that what you want to see is what you will see each time you come online. There was a time in my life whereby if I come online, I start seeing certain kind of makeup artists. They are working. They're always working. Oh. I did not even know it was just shoot they were doing. They were busy, always busy. And I was now comparing them to myself. Say, ah, this person they work well, well. They get work back to back. Oh, I no be say work self if I reach my own. They get work back to back. Oh, why not when they get work now? Ha, you reach one day. Only me sit down advise myself. Say, ah, if you dey vex for other people progress, na be say you don get winch be that o. Abi you get winch? At the end of the day, I just told myself, I say, ah, I think right now mentally I'm not ready to be seeing such posts. So what I did, every notification from that person, I remove it. Den after a while I block the person because I no just wan know wetin you dey do. Anything wey go make me feel like say I no dey work, anything wey go make me feel like say my hustle no reach, anything wey go make me wan go ahead of myself when probably Holy Spirit never push me to go that place wey I wan dey run dey go, so I dey avoid am. So I just usually block certain persons that time, stay away from anything wey lead to their post and mind my business until mentally I was now ready to see anything and not be shaken by anything. Okay. So one of the mistake people do is not knowing when to stay off social media. There are times that sometimes I'm in a good place, yes, but I just go offline. Probably, let me even see what is happening physically in the real life, because social media have a way of even making you to not see friends and family, because you see them on your WhatsApp status, you feel they are okay. They are not okay. You see them, they are online, you just feel and conclude they are okay. No, they are not okay. So another thing I've been able to do is know when to just stay off social media, check on people in the real life, see what's happening in their life, and then try to come back to social media. Just learn to manage it, okay? It might look like it's easy. It's not easy. Social media is draining. It's really draining. It is. And it's also time consuming. So you need to manage these things. And then you need to know when to tell yourself that you need a break, okay? Even when your body is tired, you are still doing shoots, you are still doing work. You feel that, oh, if I not do this one now, hey, this client, if I not do this work now, this client go vex for me. Forget o, if you die, the client go find the next available makeup artist wey go do her makeup wey she go take on your burial. So know when to take a break, okay? Please, guys, if you love videos like this, let me know down on the comment section, and I will do another video like this. Okay, but for today, like I said, it's my birthday. You can see I'm doing my makeup myself, being a makeup artist. Makeup artistry is not easy. Makeup as a career is not easy. So I decided to come up with this topic: common mistakes that makeup artists make, just to help one or two person out there. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, let me know what kind of look you want to see on this channel, and if you like video like this. Thanks for watching this video till now. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often. Remember to say a prayer for me down below on the comment section, and allow nothing to spoil your joy. Bye, guys.